When I was young, I caught my first husband with the neighbor from downstairs. I was 22, madly in love and believed that marriage was a sacrament. My pastor told me that marriage is a sacrament and it was my duty to forgive him and change myself so that he won't need to cheat. My counselor told me that marriage is a commitment, and that it was my duty to figure out what I wasn't providing him to meet his needs in our relationship so he wouldn't need to cheat. My mother told me that I had made my bed, so now I needed to lie in it. Men cheat, she told me. My father told me that cheating isn't a big deal, and that a man has needs. Ah yes, I actually asked for advice from the man who comes from a long line of cheaters and the woman who put up with it. I worked on myself, and tried valiantly to rebuild the trust that he broke. He continued to cheat. We moved 1,000 miles away from the affair partners so he could take his dream job. I found a new pastor and a new counselor. The counselor asked me what I was getting out of my marriage, and I didn't understand the question. I was supposed to get something out of marriage? Who knew? When I was finally able to answer the question, I realized I wanted loyalty, trust and commitment, and my husband had no interest in any of those things. It's impossible to build a marriage single-handedly, but very possible to destroy one all by oneself. I was divorced at 25. I will never again tolerate cheating. Cheating is a hard boundary.